Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Appychip. In this video we are going to learn how to traverse a tree in post-order manner. In previous tutorial we have already explained how to traverse the tree in pre-order. For post-order, you need to visit the left subtree first, then right subtree and then the root node. As by its name you can remember, like post, that means at the last. So you need to traverse the root node at last, and left always comes first before right. So this is how you can remember. And in pre-order, root will be the first one, then left, then right subtree. So let's take an example to traverse a tree in post-order manner. So this is the tree we have, which we used in pre-order traversal as well. So let's start this. So we are at A now. Now we need to take the left subtree of A, that means this complete tree. This is the left subtree, so first we will consider this. So we are at B now. We haven't traversed A yet because that will be traversed afterwards, after the right subtree is over. So we are here now. We need to apply this formula or algorithm again. So this is the root node here. So again we need to go to the left subtree of B. That means this particular left subtree. And here again, as you can see, D is the root node. So we need to apply the formula again. First we need to visit its left subtree. So as you can see, this is not here. Now we need to visit the right subtree, which is H. And here, as you can see, this is the last element here. So we will traverse this. Now this right subtree is done. Since left subtree was not there, right subtree we have already visited, that is H. Now we need to visit the root node, that is D. So we will visit D after this. Now since we were at B and its left subtree is done, now we need to visit the right subtree, that is E. And since it's the single node, we will traverse this. And after E, left subtree of B is done, right subtree is also done. Now we will visit the root node, that is B. When we were at A, first we need to visit the left subtree. So we have already done this. Now we need to visit the right subtree of it, that is this part. So let's start from C. As you can see, C is also a root node which have a left subtree and right subtree. So we need to apply the formula again. We will visit the left subtree. So we will go to F, and since F is itself a root node, we will apply the formula again, and we will visit its left subtree, that is I. So as you can see, I is the last one, so we can traverse it. So after I, there is no right subtree. So we can go to F, which is the root node. So we will visit F. Now as you can see, the left subtree of C is completely visited. Now we will visit, so this formula left subtree is completed. Now we visit the right subtree of C, that is J, G, K. Now as you can see, G is again itself a root node. So we need to apply the formula again. We will visit the left subtree, that is J. Now after J, we will visit the right subtree, that is K. And after K, we will visit the G, that is the root node of this. And after G, we will visit, since the left subtree of C is done, right subtree of C is also done. Now we will visit the root, that is C. Now C is also done. So initially we were at A, so left subtree of A is done, right subtree of A is done. Now finally we will visit the A, that is the root node. So A is the final one to visit, and this is our final traversing of the nodes in this binary tree. In the next video we are going to learn how to traverse the tree in order manner. So the link of that video you can find in the description section. And for any doubts or queries, feel free to reach out us in comment section. Thanks for watching. Please keep sharing.